Alright, hereafter you can able to upload YouTube Shorts as a 3 minutes length. And do you think will it helps to increases the short monetization revenue? From October 15 onwards, YouTube Shorts allows you to upload videos up to 3 minutes in a length. Remember, the video format for that short should be either vertical or square in aspect ratio. For example, let's say you are uploading a 2 minutes video in a horizontal format. Now, YouTube consider that video as a long form. On the other hand, if the same video is in vertical format, then it would be considered as YouTube Shorts. Okay, now that we understand the context of longer shorts, let's see how it is impacting Shorts music, monetization and discoverability. First, music. Like already, you can able to use any songs available in the YouTube Shorts library for 60 seconds. There is no change in that. But beyond 60 seconds, if you use music other than the audio library and if the content is copyrighted, you may receive a content ID claim. This results in your video being blocked from YouTube and it is not eligible for monetization also. However, it will not fire any penalties to your channel. Okay, now let's talk about video discoverability. Clearly, YouTube mentions there is no change in Shorts discovery system. So, as usual, your 60 seconds or 3 minute Shorts duration videos will appear on the home page and watch next in the Shorts tab. Hence, you don't really need to worry about the Shorts video discoverability. If your video really needs 3 minutes or 45 seconds, then do it accordingly. Now, let's come into YouTube Shorts monetization. Either a 60 seconds or 3 minute duration Shorts video. If the video does not have any copyrighted content, then it is eligible for monetization. But the question here is, will 3 minute longer shorts will bring more revenue? Let me clear it out. Generally, a long form video revenue system works based on watch time. For example, if the video is longer, then more ads will display in between the videos, hence the opportunity for more revenue. But the same logic does not apply for Shorts videos. The short revenue system works based on the views, not watch time. Therefore, the Shorts video revenue will be the same for either a 60 seconds or 3 minutes duration videos. The only opportunity you will have here is that you are getting more space to convey your story or points to the audiences. In summary, longer videos helps to explain more about you or your content to your audiences instead of wrapping up in 60 seconds. As mentioned, if the content requires 45 seconds, then don't stretch it to 3 minutes. I hope this 3 minutes duration update helps to provide creators with more breathing room to convey their points to the audiences. Please let me know your points in the comment section. Also, kindly update your YouTube app and YouTube Studio app in your mobile devices to getting this update on your devices. Feel free to let me know any of your doubts or clarifications in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.